The Monday blues. No matter how hard she tried, Amanda just never had a good Monday. For starters, she could not fall asleep on Sunday nights. She would lie awake and just think about how early she had to wake up. When she finally did doze off to sleep, she always seemed to have bad dreams. Amanda's mom had to drag her out of bed on Monday mornings. Sometimes she even splashed water in her face to wake her up. And it never failed that Amanda would forget something. Some days it was her lunch. Other Mondays it was her homework. She almost always got into trouble and missed recess too. It was like Mondays had this magical spell of always being awful. By the time Amanda finished her supper, she was always so exhausted. She would fall into bed and go right to sleep. She couldn't wait to get every Monday over with. Alright, so now we're going to go answer understand it questions. The word drag in the passage means to sit down, to pull, to lay down, or to walk. What does the word drag mean? Now, in case you forgot, it says Amanda's mom had to drag her out of bed on Monday morning. So what does that word drag mean? Number 2, which of the following statements is true? Amanda loved Mondays. Her dad dragged her out of bed. She got into trouble. Or she never missed recess. Which one of those is true? Oop. Number 3, Amanda felt blank about Mondays. She felt horrible, she felt happy, she felt excited, or she felt relaxed. Which one of those is the correct answer? Number 4, what did not happen to Amanda on Mondays? She got in trouble, she forgot things, she woke up happy, or she woke up tired. Which one of those things did not happen on Mondays? Alright, so now we're going to come down here and do the vocabulary section. Now I've already copied the bold words down here from the passage, so now you need to find these bold words. Starters, doze, splashed, and magical, as well as exhausted. And then you're going to click over here for each of those words and tell me what they mean or give their definition based off of the reading. So if you are not sure, go back to the beginning of this video and listen to the story again, and maybe that'll help you out a little bit. Alright, once you're done with your vocabulary section here, you're going to move on to this word work section, and you'll use your rectangles here. So let me go ahead and get a red word and a red word. Okay, and let's see. Red words. Red words are words with suffixes. Suffixes are endings that we add to the end of a sentence, end of a word. So exhausted. The ed that makes it past tense is a suffix. Let's see if we can find another one. You can also do it for seemed. Whoa, if I can get it to highlight. Seemed. Oh my goodness. Okay, close enough. I tried. Seemed, it also has the suffix ed. I want you to find at least 2 red words. Not counting my 2 that I give you, but 2 additional red words. Alright, blue words are words with 2 vowels together. Now, if you forgot what our vowels are, that is our A, E, I, O, and U. So let's see if we can find some with 2 vowels together. Oop, I found one. Wood. If I can... Sorry guys, my computer's being wonky today. There we go, wood. Wood has an O and a U together. Those are my two vowels, and they're together. Let's just stay in this line here. And then sleep is another one, if I can get it to close enough, because it's got two vowels together, both vowels being E. Let me look and see if I can find some for you guys to find. Alright, I see a couple. So I want you to find 2 blue words. So far I need you to find 2 red and 2 blue. Alright. Now let's do green. Green are words that end in a vowel. So that again is our A, E, I, O, U. So let's see if we can find any words that end in one of those. Okay, I found one. And let's use down here. She. She ends with an E, and an E is a vowel. I'm trying to see how many of them I can see. Okay. Let's also do, oh my goodness. Oh, I just had it. No. Okay. Time. Time also ends in an E, and E is a vowel. Okay, I see quite a few more. Again, I want you to find 2 green. So far I want you to find 2 red, 2 blue, and 2 green. And then our orange words. Orange words are a bit harder for me, I think. So these are our conjunctions. And is a conjunction. But, or, oop, I almost highlighted the wrong word. I want you to see if you can find one more word that is a conjunction. So, let's see. I want you to find 2 red, 2 blue, 2 green, and 1 orange. So let me go ahead and put this back for you. Alright guys, if you need any help, like always, you can go ahead and email me, reach out. This one I think is an easier read than some of them. So, good luck and have a wonderful Monday. Bye guys.